What's up, guys? Today I want to talk about protein powder and why it's so popular among fitness enthusiasts. Protein powder is a convenient and easy way to increase your protein intake, which is important for building muscle and repairing muscle tissue. There are several types of protein powder, including whey, casein, soy, and pea protein. But the most popular and well-researched one is whey protein. That's because it contains all of the essential amino acids that your body needs for muscle growth and repair. Here are some of the benefits of protein powder. Helps build and maintain muscle mass, aids in post-workout recovery, can increase satiety and help with weight loss, may lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease, can help meet daily protein needs for vegetarians and vegans. When it comes to dosing, it depends on your goals and protein needs. Generally, most people can benefit from 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving. Add one of those servings in per day and add more if you need more. And don't forget that protein comes in a variety of flavors and forms, from chocolate to vanilla, all the way to plant-based, hemp, and rice protein. So whether you're looking to bulk up, slim down, or simply maintain a healthy diet, protein powder can be a great addition to your nutrition plan. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips.